So right now, I'm going to go over writing a program using idle. So let's type idle 3. Everybody always use idle 3 to, and we're going to write a program that takes inputs and does things with it. Now, of course, programs without input are pointless. So I'm going to, so first I'm going to test some of my ideas. So I'm going to put in a variable called my age. Spell that right. Gets 58. That's how old I am. Now, I want to get an age from someone else. I'm going to say age gets input. Input means a user is going to enter things. Now, input, we put parentheses, and inside the parentheses, we're going to put a string. That's in quotes. The string is what we call a prompt. It's the question we ask the user. In this case, how old are you? So that's what age is going to get. And you see, it's going to ask that question. Now, this is going to be a sort of annoying because, but I'll put in, say, let's say I said 40. Now, what I really should do is change this. I don't know if I can. Does that work? No, it won't let me change that, will it? No. But I should have said age equals, so this is a little bug, input, how old are you, question mark, space. So always try after inputs the space. Now I can say 40, and it's easier to read. Okay, so now I got the age. Now I want to do an if statement. Well, first I'm going to do a print statement. Print. I am, comma, my age. Quote, space. You are, comma, age. I am 58. You are 40. Isn't that cool? And so this is where working it out line by line what I want to do. Now, the last thing I'm going to put in is an if statement. So I'm going to make a decision. If age is greater than my age. Okay, so what we want to do is, I'll put a little comment in, compare users' age to programmers. That's me right now. Me! That's me! Here it is. Me. Me. Okay, so I make a little note of that, and now I'm going to do an if statement. That's what we do to compare. If age is less than my age, colon. We'll print you are younger. Else, if age is greater than my age, I have to get rid of the tab. How do I do that? I'm not sure. Let's try that again. If age is less than my age, colon, print you, and you notice it's giving me a little help each time I do that, are younger. That all makes sense. Shift tab? No. Elif. Age is greater than my age. Print. You are older. And if it's not younger, I can use the backspace key here to go back. We have the else. Print. Your, are, my, let's say this, we are the same age! Exclamation point. And okay. So this is programming, okay? It doesn't like to compare. The issue is my age is a number and age is a string. And so we have to make age a number to make this work. So here's the thing. When I said age is an input, you see that age is input over here? It just put the letters 40 in. Now it looks like the number 58, but it isn't. It thinks it's a string. It's a word. Just 40. If I want it to think that it's an int, I have to say age. I'm going to change age into an int. I'm saying age is, okay, the age, or your age, let's call that, is int of age. Now, oops, wrong guy. Okay, your age is int of age. Tap that. Your age is my age. Your age is int of age. Yeah, da 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 da. Let's max that out. Da 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 da. That is better. Okay, now, so what we want to do is now we can say if your age is less than my age, it's even more readable here. Print you are younger. If your age is greater than my age, oops, just said elif. Okay, I'm getting tired of working with this. Now I'm going to create the file. Okay, but you got an idea of how you can test stuff out in here. Now I'm going to create a new file that does all of this as a program. So I'm going to say my age gets 58. I'm going to build that into the program. It's born in 1961 and 2019. Okay, put a little note in explaining why my age is 58. Usually these notes tell you why we're doing things. Okay? So we're going to say age, let's do this right, age gets input. How old are you? Put a quote at the end. It's going to come out like that. That's so clear that I'm not even going to add anything to it. Print. I am age. You are. I am. This is why it's better to use files. My age. So I can go back and change it. You are age. Now I'm going to test this particular code. It's not done yet, but it's enough there that I can test it by hitting Run Module. Well, first I'm going to save it. So I'll hit OK and save this. Once again, it wants to save it in somewhere obscure. I'm going to save it to Documents, and this will be called Second Program, or Age. Let's call it Age. Save. How old are you? It says. And I'll say 75. I am 58. You are 75. So far, nothing interesting there. Now I'm going to modify. I'm not going to add some more. Remember that age is a string. It's the letter. It's not a integer. So I'm going to say your age is the int of age. Now I can say if my age is greater than your age, colon, print I am older. If your age is greater than my age, print you are older. Oh, that's not if. Elif. It's nice to be able to go back and fix your errors. Elif. And then the else, print we are both my age. And now let's run this guy. I can just hit F5 here, rather than call it. If I can find F5 on my little laptop here. And that doesn't do anything. Okay, let's run it. Run, 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 run. Save. Okay, one of the nice things. Now it's going to ask how old am I? And I'm going to say 43. I am 58. You are 43. I am older. Okay. We can go back here and run it again. Now if I say 91, you are older. Okay. We want to test all the possibilities. So I'll switch that. Let's try running it. And we'll say 58. We are both 58. And that was enough for now on program.